Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm so happy because my order with Wooting 60HE finally come to me. I put an order for this keyboard at the beginning of December 2023 and I finally got it at the almost end of Jan 2024. And you know what? This is currently the most popular gaming mechanical keyboard in social media space, right? So I will do the super detailed review a little bit later, but today I want to open the box and check, is it worth the hype or not? Are you with me? Let's go. Okay, let's take a closer look what is inside the box. What I am waiting for almost 2 months. It's really interesting. It's a lot of hype around this keyboard and it's kind of hard to get quick. The main point of this keyboard is that this is a gaming keyboard with less than 1 millisecond response and rapid trigger and all of it. So let's check this out. Okay, it's not the simple keyboard. It's a little bit more fancy and you have this greeting card. Should I remove it? Okay, it's literally the card. It's a postcard. Interesting, right? Okay, what's next? We have this yellow strip, which is kind of, famous for this keyboard. Take control, and you can do it like a yellow on black or black on yellow. Before I will jump to the keyboard, let's check what else do we have. So this is a USB-C braided cable with cable management stuff, and it's pretty long, so you can connect up to your PC from your main desk space, which is good. What else do we have? So very simple keycap puller, some additional spare part. I don't know what it is yet. I will need to check the instruction to understand what this is and for what, but I assume maybe this is for the strip. And you have these two additional analog, I think it's a magnet switches from Gatron. They're linear and quiet. You see, you hear the sound? Almost forget some additional very small screws. Okay, let's check the main guest of the show, and this is a keyboard itself. I ordered black version. Fair to say I don't know what else version do they have, but I like black. Like first impression based on the case and keycap profiles, it reminds me the Razer Huntsman, I think, or Black Widow. No, Razer Black Widow. Same profile of the case and same profile of the keycaps. USB-C input. Okay, let's attach this strap to the keyboard itself. You need to use these black pins. There we go. Yeah, nice accessory to the keyboard. And if you're going to, move around with this keyboard, maybe it will even help you. But obviously it's just mostly for fun, which should be for fun with gaming mechanical keyboard, right? Okay, let's check what keycaps do we have. So this is a ANSI PBT keycaps, and you see that it's double shot, and I assume they shine through, but we will check this in a second. So this is a Gatron X Slacker switch. They're linear, silent. You see that this switch is magnet. So let's quickly check what is inside. Structure of this switch is different from the usual switches. You have first of all a huge spring, usually they're a little bit more narrow. You have a pre-looped stem and housing, and obviously inside the stem you have a magnet. Okay, let's connect this keyboard to my PC. So it's no level adjustment from the back side, so this is what you have. And by the way, I ordered this with additional Wooting wrist rest. So let's check this out as well. Interesting piece of silicone. You see this? Obviously it's not magnet, but pretty comfortable. Okay, I know you're waiting for this. Let's do the sound test. What they can say? Interesting sound. I Can't say that I love it. It sounds more like a gaming keyboard. Again, some thoughts or some memories from the Razer, Huntsman or Black Widow, and from Keycaps overall viewpoint of view. But yeah, so it's for sure like place for enhancement and for modding, and which is good, because you know it's quite boring to always get the perfect mechanical keyboard and just use it. So we will be doing some modding with this beauty. Let me do the lights around a little bit less bright, so we will check the RGB. Okay guys, what do you think about RGB? Looks good, and this shines through keycaps. It's quite rare when you can find such high quality keycaps. I mean, these legends, these letters, you can see them clearly, and their sides are very crisp and clear without any defects. So it will be hard to find such good keycaps if you want to change them. Okay guys, you saw the keyboard, and this keyboard cost me 200 bucks, and couple of openings for me. First of all, it's not wireless, it's wired. And second, it sounds not super magical for me. It reminds me a lot Razer keyboards, which is also cost a lot. Not all of them, but some of them. And it's definitely area for improvement. I ordered this keyboard by myself. It's not sponsored or sent or anything like that, so I can say whatever I feel for my money and for my order. So, to be continued. Let's do detailed review of the structure of this keyboard, and let's do some tuning, and let's test it in the games, and let's understand why this keyboard is so hyped right now and why it's so expensive. Maybe I'm missing something. See you around.